Creating a malicious payload using ACT and exploiting a Windows machine. Here I have two machines, Windows 10 and Kali Linux operating system. Make sure you have disabled Windows Defender. If it is not disabled, first disable it. Okay, it's done. Now go to the Kali Linux, maximize it. Now open etc apache 2 apache2.conf and just define server name. Server name is local host. Now need to go to the sites available 00-default.conf, delete HTML, now need to create where www share folder, just open service PostgreSQL start, give permission to the where www share folder, change ownership www share. Now just go to the application, exploitation tools and social engineering. Give number 1 for social engineering attack. Number 4 for create a payload and listener. Then use Windows interpreter underscore reverse underscore TCP underscore 64. Use number 5. Define IP address of the Kali box 129. You can check using ifconfig command. Your IP address is 129. Enter the port for the reverse listener. Port will be 443. It is generating payload. Here you can see payload will be generated under root folder with the name of payload.exe. Do you want to start the payload and listener now? Yes. Just open places. Click on show hidden file. go to the .sat folder, and here you can see payload.exe file is available. Minimize it. So let me copy from home directory payload.exe to the var www share folder. List var www share folder using ls command payload.exe has been copied. Now we just need to start service Apache 2. Let me check status of the Apache. Apache is running and it is active. Now we just need to open Windows 10 and just open Internet Explorer. Give IP address https 192.168.159.129.share. 129/share. Here you can see payload.exe is available. Just click on it and need to run. Here you can see payload.exe is not commonly downloaded and could harm your device. But somehow you just click on it and run anyway. And just go to the Kali box, and here you can see Metapreter session has been set up. You can use help command to get help of the remote machine. Just use shell command to get shell of the remote machine, but we are not able to get shell. Use sessions command and take control over the session. Define session number is 7. Use help command. Starting the key is 10. Go to the Windows 10 machine. Define facebook.com. Give xyz@gmail.com and define password 123456789 and click on login. Go to the Kali box and use keyscan dump command. Here you can see we type facebook.com. This is username information and this is password information I have typed. So hope you understand how you can gather credentials informations and you can take control over the machine using payload. So thank you for watching this video.